Morning, y'all. Old Sideburn Bandit here. We out here working on this little custom bookshelf. That's all we're gonna do today. We had to putty some holes up, and we did a little touch-up paint, and we'll finish these banisters later. But I'll go ahead and flip the phone around. There you go. We like I said, we touched it up a little. We still got a stain. All of them boards ain't been done yet. They just some holes we had to putty up, let it dry. But y'all comment, let us know what you think. We still got the balusters to do. We're gonna do some metal poles down through there and stuff. But we gotta wait on the they're gonna come put the treads down, and then we'll come back and do that. It'll be like a week, y'all. But y'all let us know. Right there's how you make your trim. Oh yeah, real quick, y'all. This is the other side of them. We're gonna take that little corner trim off right there, and we're gonna redo that too for her. And see those the balusters, we'll have to screw them straight down into there, you know what I mean? We'll drill holes out, but they gotta put their treads down first, and they'll go here and on that side and then up through yonder. But yeah, y'all let us know what y'all think. Y'all, it's a lot of work before and after, but let me see if I can get one more shot for y'all. Well, you can't really. It looked good. Hell, phone ain't do too bad in the dark neither. All right, y'all, Bandit out.